Hello everyone, this is Mork TV in another video. Haven't made one in a long time. This time, I'm going to show you how to download videos from YouTube through an app called Seal. So let's go. First thing that we'll do is, of course, we'll search for it in Google. Just type Seal APK, and here you will find this website called F-Droid. You just have to find the download here. Let me warn you that this one is a third-party app. It cannot be found in the Play Store. So if you're concerned about security, I think we can skip downloading this one and stick to YouTube instead. So here, we're going to install it now. Easy, right? It just takes a short time to install it. So let's now open the app. So it's as simple as that. There's a tutorial once you open it. So click paste to get video link from your clipboard. Then click download and you can see the settings there. So let's try to download a video here in YouTube by copying its link and pasting it to the Seal app. But first, let's see the quality here. The highest one being 1080p. So let's try to download the video that appears first. Let's try to share and copy the link. Then we're going to paste it here. Download. We have also the option to save it as audio. So in this regard, it doesn't save MP3, I think. It only saves as M4A. So if you're not into that format, I'm sorry, but that's the only option that you can have. So the video format, yes, that's correct. Only M4A and Opus. So let's get back to downloading the video. The video format should be 1080p or depending on what you like, and the format should be MP4 because that's the most common format that we use. So let's download it now. So you can see it is now downloaded. I mean converted, not downloaded. So because we had to click this one, download. So let's retrieve our downloaded file and see its quality. So the quality isn't all that bad. I saw the original quality of this video in YouTube. It's 1080p. I downloaded it at 1080p and I really see no difference in quality here. So if you want to save videos, music, you have everything there in the Seal app. So thank you guys for watching. I hope the quality of life improved, since now that we can download a video or an audio file in YouTube itself. So I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and goodbye.